Welcome to Docura, AI built to understand your documents, where your information stays securely on your computer. To get started, go to docuraai.com/download. Here, you can download the latest installer. Once downloaded, open the installer and install the app. Docura will launch automatically, and a shortcut will be added to your desktop. First, you'll be prompted to activate your account. Click Create Account, Resend Code. Enter your email address. Click Get Activation Code. And Docura will send you an activation code. Copy the code, return to the app, and paste it into the activation field. Click Activate. This activates your device and starts your 30-day free trial. Close Account Manager. All of your documents and knowledge are managed under Manage Information. Here you'll find workspaces, folders, and memories. Start by creating folders and adding your documents. Then, go to Workspaces to link folders to a workspace. You'll see that Main Workspace is created automatically. Choose the workspace you're going to work in. Now index it so that Docura can understand your documents. If you add, remove, or update files later, you'll be prompted to re-index. Docura runs AI locally using Ollama. If Ollama is not installed, you'll be prompted to install it. Click Download Ollama. Once you've installed it, then return to Docura and click Try Again. Docura also checks whether your selected model is installed. For most users, this will be the default Ollama 3.1 8B model. If it's not installed, Docura will guide you through downloading it. This is a one-time setup per model. By default, Docura supports 8 billion parameter models. These offer excellent balance of speed and capability. If your machine has a GPU, you will also see a larger 14 billion parameter model. This can provide deeper reasoning in some cases, but is slower and requires more system resources. If you're unsure, we recommend sticking with the default model. Now you're ready to type a query. Click Run or press Ctrl-Enter. Docura returns precise, structured answers based on your workspace information and general knowledge. Your workspace documents are treated as the ground truth and prioritized in responses. To explore demos of querying various workspaces, click Learn. This quick start guide can also be found there. The user guide also has a wealth of information. Each response includes a Show Source option. Click it to view the document and location used to generate the answer. If the feature is available for that type of document, the document will open directly to the referenced page. This allows you to verify results instantly and stay grounded in your source material. You can copy the latest output using the Copy button or Ctrl-Shift-C. The output box can be cleared using the X button. Toggle Remember to save important information to the current workspace. Saved memories are prioritized above all other information sources in future responses. You can view and edit these anytime under Manage Information, Memories. Use Attach Session Files to query files without adding them to a workspace or indexing. Attachments are temporary and cleared when you switch workspaces or close the app. If an attachment proves useful, you'll have the option to save it to a folder so it becomes part of your workspace for future use. Docura maintains conversational context during a session. Conversational context is stored per workspace, and this resets when you close the app. Click Reset AI Context to reset it manually at any time to start the conversation fresh. If your workspace includes spreadsheets, Docura can go further. To perform tabular functions, ask it to calculate. Specify the filters you want applied from your spreadsheet, for example, expenses. It can also perform interest calculations. Ask it to plot or graph to see trends over time. This can accommodate up to 2 factors. All data is stored locally on your machine under C, Users, Your Profile, App Data, Roaming, Docura. If Docura is uninstalled or updated, this folder remains intact, and your workspace data will be detected automatically in future installations. Docura keeps your knowledge secure, structured, and always within reach. If you need help, reach out anytime at support@docuraai.com. Happy querying!